Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 9th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Today we are going to see 8.5 median. So median is nothing but the arithmetic mean is typical of the data because it balances the numbers. It is the number in the middle pulled up by large numbers and pulled down by the smaller values. So this what is called median. So median is nothing but, for example, here the 4 peoples of an office have income. So here 4 people's income is given. So 5,000 plus 6,000 plus 7,000 and 8,000 respectively. So you have to add all the 4 values and we have to divide by the number of persons. So here இப்போ இதில் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா ஆஃபீஸில் 4 மெம்பர்ஸ் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அந்த 4 மெம்பர்ஸோட salary divided by number of that members. So which gives 6,500. So if a 5th person with an income 29,000 is added to the group, then the arithmetic mean of all 5 will be. So like that you have to find the arithmetic mean. Now we are going to see example 8.8 which is in page number 279. The following are scores obtained by 11 players in a cricket match: 7, 21, 45, 12, 56, 35, 25, 0, 58, 66, 29. So find the median score. So here they are given 11 players score. So let us arrange the values in ascending order. So 0, 7, 12, 21, 25, 29, 35, 45, 56, 58 and 66. So the number of values is equal to 11, which is odd. So here they are given 11 players number, so which is odd. So how we have to find the median is equal to n, that is number of players or number of values plus 1 by 2 whole power th value. So you have to find the median when the number of players or the number of observation is odd. You have to use the formula n plus 1 by 2th value. So that is nothing but 12 by 2th value, which is equal to 6th value, which is equal to 29. So here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the 6th value is 29. So that is our median. Next one is example 8.9. For the following ungrouped data: 10, 17, 16, 21, 13, 18, 12, 10, 19, 22. So find the median. Here the data is ungrouped. So again you have to arrange the data in ascending order. So arrange the values in ascending order. You get 10, 10, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22. Here the number of values is 10. So ungrouped data means you can see the data, you can easily understand how it is ungrouped. So we doesn't see the continuation. So if you doesn't see the continuation, we can see it is in the form of ungrouped data. So how we have to find the median of the even number is, median is equal to average of 10 by 2 and 10 by 2 plus 1th values. So which is equal to average of 5th and 6th values. So average of 5th and 6th value. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th value is 16 and the 6th value is 17. So 16 plus 17 by 2 is equal to 33 by 2, which is equal to 16.5. So this is the median for finding when the number of observation is given as even. Next one is example 8.10 which is in page number 280. The following table represents the marks obtained by a group of 12 students in a class test in mathematics and science. So here the marks in mathematics, and this is the second tabular column which is marks in science. Marks in science. So 52, 55, 32, 30, 60, 44, 28, 25, 50, 75, 33 and 62. These are the marks of maths. And science marks is 54, 42, 48, 49, 27, 25, 24, 19, 28, 58, 42, 69. So indicate in which subject the level of achievement is higher. So solution, let us arrange the marks in two subjects in ascending order. So first step is you have to arrange the given data in ascending order, that is marks in mathematics, also in marks in science. So 25, 28, 30, 32, 33, 44, 50, 52, 55, 60, 62, 75. And science mark is 19, 24, 25, 27, 28, 42, 42, 48, 49, 54, 58 and 69. Since the number of students is 12, the marks of the middlemost student would be the mean mark of 6th and 7th students, because here you have the number of students is 12. So 12 is a even number, so you have to choose the 6th and 7th value, that is n by 2 plus 1th value and n by 2th value average of. So 12 by 2 is 6th, then 12 by 2 plus 1th is 7th. So therefore the median marks in mathematics is equal to, the 6th mark is 44 plus the 7th mark is 50. So 44 plus 50 by 2 is equal to 47. And median mark in science is equal to 42 plus 42 by 2 is nothing but 42. So hence we find the median mark is greater, median mark in mathematics is greater than the median mark in science. So therefore the level of achievement of the students is higher in mathematics than science. Next is you have to see how to find the median for ungrouped frequency distribution. So first step is you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order of magnitude. So first step is, as usual, you have to arrange the given data in ascending or as well as descending order. Then second step is construct the cumulative frequency distribution. Let capital N be the total frequency. So capital N is nothing but summation F. Frequency values எல்லாத்தையும் add பண்ணனும், அதுதான் நம்மளோட capital N. So if capital N is odd, if the capital N, that is summation F, is odd, median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 observation. And if n is even, median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. So example 8.11, calculate the median for the following data. So height is given and number of students is given. So height is mentioned in centimeter. 160, 150, 152, 161, 156, 154, 155. So number of students is 12, 8, 4, 4, 3, 3, 7. First you have to arrange the given data in ascending order and prepare the following table. So you have to arrange the height in the given data in ascending order. So first one is 150. So no need to change the number of students. So it doesn't change the frequency. So here you have 150 means you have to write the number of students as 8. And second is 152 and number of students is 4. And third one is 154 and number of students is 3. And 155 number of students is 7. 156 number of students is 3. 160 number of students is 12 and 161 number of students is 4. So how you have to find the cumulative frequency is very simple. You have to write the number 8 as it is. So here you have to move the same value 8 here. Then the next step is you have to add 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. So this is what you have to find the cumulative frequency. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 3 is 25. 25 plus 12 is 37. 37 plus 4 is 41. So here this is your summation F value. So here capital N is equal to 41. So median is equal to size of n plus 1 by 2th value, which is equal to size of 41 plus 1 by 2th value, which is equal to size of 21st value. So if the 41 students were arranged in order, the 21st student would be the middlemost one. Since there are 20 students on either side of him or her, we therefore need to find the height against the 21st student. So 15 students have height less than or equal to 154 centimeter, and 22nd student have the height less than or equal to 155 centimeter. This means that 21st student has the height 155 centimeter. Therefore, the median is equal to 155 centimeter. Next one is formula for finding median in grouped frequency distribution. So in a grouped frequency distribution, computation of median involves the following steps. First step is you have to construct the cumulative frequency distribution. After that, the second step is find n by 2 term. Then the third step is the class that contains the cumulative frequency n by 2 is called the median class. Then find the median by using the formula. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m divided by f into c. So where L is the lower limit of the median class and f is the frequency of the median class, c is the width of the median class, n is the total frequency, that is nothing but summation f, and m is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So if we see in one example, you can understand the concept. It is very simple. Example 8.12, the following table gives the weekly expenditure of 200 families. So find the median of the weekly expenditure. So here they are given the weekly expenditure of the families. So weekly expenditure is 0 to 10,000, 0 to 1000 and 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000. Then number of families are 28, 46, 54, 42, 30. So what is the first step is you have to do the cumulative frequency using the tabular column. First step is you have to put the tabular column. So here we have to mention the weekly expenditure, that is 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000 and 4000 to 5000. Then the second one is number of families is 28, 46, 54, 40 to 30. So if you add all this, you get summation f, that is capital N is equal to 200. So you already know how to find the cumulative frequency. First you have to move the 28 to cumulative frequency. The starting value is 28. Then you have to add 28 plus 46, you get 74. 74 plus 54, you get 128. And 128 plus 42, you get 170. 170 plus 30, you get 200. So here the median class is equal to n by 2th value. So which is equal to 200 by 2th value is equal to 100th value. So median class, so the 100th value which is nearest to 100 is median class is 2000 to 3000. So this what we have to find the median class. So here now we can easily see how we choose the median class. So here the range is 128, which is near to the 100th value. So the median class is equal to 2000 to 3000. So here n by 2 is 100. So L is equal to 2000. That is L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. So this is the lower limit. Then m is equal to, m is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So here the cumulative frequency is 128, that is nearest to 100th value. So previous number, so preceding number is 74. So this is your m. So here we choose the median class is 2000 to 3000. This is your median class, and n by 2. n by 2 is 200 by 2 is 100, and L, that is lower limit of the median class, is 2000. Then we choose m as the cumulative. M is nothing but the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. இப்போ நம்ம இதுதான் வந்து median class choose பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். இதுல இருந்து 2000 to 3000 value choose பண்ணிக்கிறோம். So preceding numberனா இதுதான் நம்மளோட m. ஓகேங்களா? Then C is nothing but 1000. So C is nothing but the width of the median class. So width of the median class is difference is 1000. And F is equal to 54. So F is equal to 54 means cumulative frequency 128 க்கு நேரா இருக்கிற number of families. இதுதான் நம்மளோட F. So next So you have to find the median. So median formula is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. So which is equal to 2000 plus 100 minus 74 by 54 into 1000, which is equal to 2000 plus 26 by 54 into 1000, which is equal to 2000 plus 481.5, which is equal to 2481.5. Example 8.13. The median of the following data is 24. Find the value of x. So class interval and frequency is given. Class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And the frequency is 6, 24, x, 16, 9. So solution, the class interval, frequency and cumulative frequency. The class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. And the frequency is 6, 24, x, 16, 9. Then you know how to find the cumulative frequency. First write 6. So 6 plus 24 is 30. 30 plus x is 30x. And 30 plus x plus 16. You just add the constant. So 30 plus 16 is 46 plus x. 46 plus 9 is 55 plus x. So now you know capital N is equal to 55 plus x. Since the median is 24. So here the median is 24 and the median class is 20 to 30. So because it is in the range of median 24 is given in the question. So it is in the range of, that is median class is 20 to 30. So here the lower limit is equal to 20 and n, that is capital N is equal to 55 plus x and m is equal to 30. So m is 30 and f is equal to x. Here that is the frequency, f is equal to x. So obviously this is your m. So this is your m is equal to 30 and c is difference is 10. So that is the c value. So median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus m by f into c. Median is given 24 is equal to 20 plus 55 plus x by 2 minus 30 divided by x into 10. So 4 is equal to 5x minus 25 by x. 4x is equal to 5x minus 25. 5x minus 4x is equal to 25. Therefore the value of x is equal to 25.